Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload auto loop videos on Behance projects. Alright, so let's begin. To get your auto looping video on Behance, follow these steps. First, log in to your Behance account. Click on your profile icon and select Edit My Availability. Scroll down and choose Create a Project. Since Behance doesn't support auto looping videos directly, you'll need to use Vimeo. Log in to your Vimeo account and upload your video file. After uploading, access the video settings. Keep in mind that enabling auto looping requires a Vimeo plan with advanced features. Once your video is uploaded, click on the embed option and copy the provided embed code. In the video settings under Player, you can adjust settings like color grading and actions. Look for the option to enable auto looping. Return to your Behance project and paste the copied embed code into the embed option on Behance. This will insert your video. Now, your video should display with seamless playback, enhancing your presentation on Behance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.